Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Acrobat freezing or crashing. So if Adobe Acrobat freezes or crashes, the problem may be caused by corrupted program files, damaged PDFs, outdated software and graphics driver issues, or even conflicts with other applications. So actually guys, first you will need to update the Adobe Acrobat. So many crashes are resolved through software updates. So all you need to do is to open the Acrobat right here and then just go with the question mark at the top bar here on the right side and then go with Acrobat Help. So once you click on that one, right, you will need to wait a few seconds and then you will get forwarded into the official website. So now just go away, get started here and go with download Acrobat, reader or install any available updates. Then restart your computer, right? So after downloading the new version of Acrobat, you will need to go right here to the Windows below on the taskbar and then go here to the power off button and go with restart. So a restart clears temporary files and releases system resources that may be causing Acrobat to freeze. So actually guys, this is the end of the video. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.